Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm at Publix doing a keto grocery shopping haul. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to do a grocery shopping haul, my keto grocery shopping haul at Publix. If you like this video, smash that like button. Don't hurt your thumb. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly keto emailed meal plan. It's my gift to you, the Countess of Low Carb community. Let's dive in. I'm doing a quick keto grocery shopping haul. We're here in the Outer Banks for a vacation beach trip, and I'm just grabbing a few items. I'm not doing a full ketogenic diet grocery haul like I do on most of my grocery shopping videos. If you want to see one of those are in the playlist below, but let's do a quick, easy keto grocery shopping haul. So I've never been here before. I have no idea where I'm going and what I'm gonna get, but let's just dive in and see what keto meals and keto foods I can come up with. Y'all know I have to get some of my baby spinach, 2 cups. It has huge magnesium and potassium in them. So the 4 cups here is 2 net carbs, and for 4 cups it's 790 mgs of potassium. Anyways, it's a lot of potassium, more than a banana. Okay, they do have Primal mayonnaise here, and Chosen mayonnaise. Y'all have told me about this. You can get this on Amazon. This is the only clean keto one. I'm going to check the other ingredients in the Chosen brand, Primal. I'll put it in the description link below if you get it from Amazon. If you're not near a Publix, this is for $9. $9 for this, and it's made out of avocado oil, and there's no soybean oil and no sugars added. Those are the key things. Let me check the Chosen brand to see what this is. This is made out of avocado oil, and it does not, this is also clean. This is on my clean list, guys. You have 2 choices now, Chosen foods. This is also, and it has no sugars added. In the ingredients, no sugars are added, so that would also be a choice for it. What I have also suggested to people is the Duke's, I almost just knocked over the Duke's mayonnaise. So Duke's mayonnaise is made out of soybean oil, which is inflammatory. I make the conscious choice knowing that it's going to be inflammatory. If you don't like the flavor of Primal, you can also make your own. Y'all have totally suggested that to me, but Duke's has no sugar added. It is made out, so if you're picking between like this and Hellmann's, get the Duke's. I'm not sponsored by them. This is just because it's anti-sugar added into it. Ironically, across here is the cake aisle. Like, what's the logic from that? I'm gonna grab some horseradish also for my roast beef that I snagged. So getting meats, fresh meats, is the obvious choice. Please check out my other Costco hauls, my other ALDI hauls, where I talk about incorporating the high fat, moderate protein in. That's super, super important. I'm not gonna grab any meat today because we don't need it for this quick grocery haul, but oh my gosh, they already have bone broth made. It's organic bone broth, and the ingredients look amazing. Go Publix. Y'all, I'm stunned that they have bone broth here. Organic bone broth. The ingredients are awesome and ridiculously good. It's $7 for this whole thing. You can, of course, make your own, but that is a choice if you wanted to get it. They are having a sale of the avocados, too. That would be a great choice. So I'm going to be making an awesome new keto beverage. So I'm going to snag some limes for that. You guys will see that on an upcoming Countess of Low Carb video. They also do have zucchini spirals, but since I'm at the beach, I'm not going to get those, but those would be great with my keto meatballs, and I'll put that in the description link below too. So this has soybean oil in it. I'm making the conscious choice to get it, even though there is soybean oil, which is inflammatory. I'm making the conscious choice though. So I'm changing my mind. I'm actually gonna try the avocado ranch. Again, this still has soybean oil. I'm making the conscious choice to have inflammatory it's made out of canola oil, which is even worse. I'm actually not gonna get it. Canola oil is not, I'm not gonna, it's basically poison. These are $3. I really want them as a quick keto snack, but I'm not quite sure why they're so expensive. So for some of my quick keto meals, I'm gonna go to the deli and actually just get some deli meat to have for grab and go keto meals. So this is the section I was looking for. I just wanted some quick little grabby things for my kid when he comes off the beach. Some chorizo, some pepperonis, and I'm gonna get some freshly done ones from the deli. But this is my jam, this is my section. I'm striking out. I was trying to find some low carb wraps, and they're all like 20 carbs for my family for sandwiches, so I'm gonna go try a different section. Okay, a quick little recap of what I've gotten. I've gotten some roast beef in here, I've gotten some pepperoni, I've gotten some of my chorizo, I've also gotten some cheese, some of the spinach, the cauliflower, and I've also got some in my shop. Olives would be another great choice. I'm not going to snag them on this trip. They would be another awesome choice to get too. We already have pickles at home, so I'm not going to go ahead and grab those either. So we already have a ton of heavy cream at home, so I'm not going to get that. I love having that in between fasting or with my breakfast. I am stunned that they have avocado oil based butter. It's a vegetable oil blend, which is really, really not good, but it's interesting the marketing on this to make it seem like it's healthy for you when it's made out of soybean oil and palm oil. Palm oil is a big no-no. That is a big creepy carb. So be avoiding these. You think that it's good because it's made out of avocado oil, but it's actually very inflammatory. Same thing with their coconut oil one. I'm gonna bet you that this also has in it soybean oil and palm oil. That is a no-go. I would not recommend that at all. It would be inflammatory. They do have their butter, 2 for $6, which is comparable to Aldi. It's on sale right now. That is comparable. I would recommend that too. Their Kerrygold butter. And when I'm in a pinch for a keto meal, I love putting my cream cheese with some of my deli meat too as a quick keto snack. And I totally avoid all of this packaged crap. Just make your own or grab some other choices of meats, vegetables, and high fats. The shrimp would be great, as would the crab legs or the mussels for some awesome keto foods. I'm not gonna get these, although I love scallops and have an awesome scallop recipe and tuna. I'm gonna pass on those today. If you are loving this video, smash that like button and make sure you click subscribe. So I made that trip in record time for my keto shopping. I have a 3-year-old, and so he is getting restless, so I am running out. You may have noticed other things in my cart. I do have a hot husband and a sweet boy who don't do keto. So you may see some things in my cart that are not for me, and that's okay, that's for them. So let me show you at home what I got and unload it all. Quick editor's note, soybean oil and canola oil are not good for you at all, but I want y'all to make conscious decisions and conscious choices. Okay, I just got home. Here's all my goodies that we have for our keto grocery haul. We're gonna do a quick keto coleslaw. I'll put that in the description link below. My recipe is really simple. I got a bunch of organic cauliflower, which I'm going to use as dip with my guacamole. We got some limes, which I'm gonna do for an upcoming keto drink beverage, which is gonna be really good. I got a whole pound of the Boar's Head Simplicity meat. I got some super blue cheese dressing. This does have soybean oil. Making conscious decision choices. This is a creepy carb ingredient, but look, applesauce came over. I got my baby spinach, my organic baby spinach, which is great for potassium. I did get my radishes, which I will also use as dip, like chips, with my guacamole. Again, keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. I got some mint. I also got some pepperoni nuggets. These are great with dips for like chip and dip. I got some chorizo salami, which is really, really good. Some regular pepperoni. My family likes to snack while we're at the beach. Here's our little beach house. There you go. Quite messy. Our family likes to snack, so I wanted to have some keto snacks here with me. I got some Alouette cheese. This is 2 carbs per 3 tablespoons. So I'm looking at the ingredients. It's not like the cleanest of things, but I got that as like for my chips and dip for me. It's better than potato chips, right? And I did get, this is gonna be my lunch today, is the London broil roast beef. I did get some of that for myself. I'm gonna mix it with some of my horseradish sauce, which does have soybean oil. Again, that's not a good ingredient. So make conscious choices. The best, cleanest one is Primal, and to make your own out of that, or that chosen avocado, or make your own. I did get Duke's because there's no sugar added in it. I got, again, for some beach foods, like for the ketogenic quick. Some Whiffs. These are great chip things. Normally I don't get this kind of snack food. I like to get meals, but since we're on a beach trip, this was an easy ketogenic like meal prep type thing. And I got some Warhead cheese. That, my friends, is my keto grocery haul. If you have loved this video, smash the like button, make sure you sign up for my free weekly keto meal plan, and make sure you click subscribe. I would love to see in the comments other stores you want me to do for my keto grocery shopping hauls, and what would be best for you for your ketogenic diet. Make it a powerful day, guys. Bye!